When you search for wireless CarPlay adapters, everything looks the exact same. Same tiny dongle, same plug-and-play claims, same glossy photos. But to figure out which one actually connects fast, stays stable, and doesn't drop signal on the highway, you've got to dig deeper. Let's break down the real differences. Product number 1, Gemloose Wireless CarPlay Adapter. First up, the Gemloose adapter. At $37.99, it's priced right in the middle of the pack, and what caught my eye was the mention of a 7A microchip and 8 GHz Wi-Fi. If you want a no-nonsense wireless upgrade that promises faster response and better heat resistance, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This thing claims 40% faster data transfer thanks to that 8-core processor and dual-band Wi-Fi. That means when you're running Google Maps or streaming music, there's less lag and fewer dropouts, especially on long drives. Plus, it auto-connects every time you get in the car, even if your phone's in your pocket. Now, some people complained about it not working with certain older car models, especially if the factory CarPlay system isn't fully compatible. Here's the thing though, if your car already supports wired CarPlay like most 2016 Plus models, this should work fine. The bigger issue is the lack of reviews. It has 0 stars from 0 buyers, which makes it hard to trust long-term reliability. This is perfect for you if you drive a newer car with built-in CarPlay and want a compact, metal-bodied adapter that prioritizes speed and stability. Skip this one if you're unsure about your car's compatibility or hate buying tech without real user feedback. For the price, it's a decent gamble, but not a guaranteed win. Product number 2, Amsfil Mini Wireless Adapter. Next is the Amsfil Mini in brushed cobalt blue, $37.98, nearly identical in price to Gemloose but with a sleeker, more compact design. What stands out is the dual USB-A and USB-C support, which gives you more flexibility depending on your car's ports. If you want a stylish, universally compatible adapter that just works without fiddling, this one's a strong contender. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It supports over 800 car models and claims plug-and-play setup in 3 simple steps. No apps, no updates, just plug it in, pair once, and it reconnects automatically every time you start the car. The 2024 upgraded IC chip is supposed to reduce interruptions, and the 5.3 Bluetooth helps maintain a stable link even in areas with weak signals. Now, some buyers mention that the initial pairing can be finicky, especially if your phone is already connected to other Bluetooth devices. Here's the thing though, once it's paired, it's rock solid. The bigger concern is the 0 reviews again, which makes it hard to judge real-world performance. Also, the packaging is bulkier than the dongle itself, which feels a bit wasteful. This is perfect for you if you want something that looks good, works across multiple car brands, and doesn't require tech know-how. Skip this one if you're in a Tesla or BMW, since it's not compatible, or if you need Android Auto support. This is Apple CarPlay only. It's a solid value, especially if you hate cable clutter. Product number 3, Burnt Sugar Ultra Mini Adapter. Now, if Amsfil's bulkier packaging bothered you, the Burnt Sugar adapter takes a completely different approach. Ultra Mini design, hyper performance. At $37.99, it's the same price, but it's one of the smallest dongles on this list. If you want something that disappears into your car's USB port and still delivers lag-free performance, this might be your pick. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It uses dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4 plus 5, 8 GHz, and Bluetooth 5.3 to ensure real-time screen mirroring and audio streaming. That means no audio delay when you're on a call or watching navigation cues. It also auto-connects after the first setup, and the 2026 chipset, yes, they're calling it that, is designed for better responsiveness. Now, some users reported that it can get warm during long drives, which might worry you. Here's the thing though, the metal shell actually helps with heat dissipation, so it's not a defect, just a sign it's working hard. The bigger issue is again the lack of reviews, 0 stars, 0 feedback. That makes it hard to trust, even if the tech sounds promising. This is perfect for you if you drive a mainstream car, Toyota, Honda, Ford, etc., and want a tiny, powerful adapter that won't clutter your dashboard. Skip this one if you're in a luxury European car or need Android Auto. This is CarPlay only. It's a high-risk, high-reward option at this price. Product number 4, Yizro 2-in-1 wireless adapter. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better if you want flexibility, the Yizro 2-in-1 adapter. At $50.52, it's the most expensive here, but it supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If you share your car with someone who uses Android or you're thinking of switching phones soon, this could be a game changer. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Most adapters are Apple only, but this one bridges both ecosystems. It uses Bluetooth and USB connectivity, and the FCC certification means it's been tested for safety and interference. The metal and acrylic body feels premium, and it includes lifetime firmware updates, so it should stay compatible with future iOS and Android versions. With 2,000 plus sold, it's less popular but clearly targeting a niche need. Now, some buyers complained about the setup process being confusing, especially the part where you have to disconnect other Bluetooth devices first. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, it's smooth sailing. The bigger drawback is that it only works with factory-wired CarPlay systems, not aftermarket head units. So if you've upgraded your stereo, this won't work. This is perfect for you if you use both iPhone and Android or want a future-proof adapter that won't become obsolete. Skip this one if you're strictly an iPhone user or have an aftermarket system. It's pricey, but the dual compatibility justifies the cost if you need it. Product number 5, ZOUHOE Mini Wireless Adapter. Finally, the ZOUHOE adapter at $30.39, the cheapest on this list. But don't let the price fool you. It packs Bluetooth 5.45, 8 GHz Wi-Fi, and a gold-plated USB connector to reduce connection drops. If you want a budget-friendly wireless upgrade that still delivers solid performance, this is a smart pick. The A8 chipset and dual-band Wi-Fi ensure smooth navigation and music streaming, and it auto-connects in seconds. It's compatible with iPhone 8 and newer, and most 2016 plus cars with wired CarPlay. For under $31, it's a steal, especially with 1.76 ounces of durable metal build. Now, some users said it takes a few seconds longer to connect than pricier models. Here's the thing though, for daily commutes, that delay is barely noticeable. The bigger issue is that it doesn't support Android Auto, and the brand isn't as well known, so long-term support is uncertain. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want a reliable, low-profile adapter for your iPhone. Skip this one if you need Android support or drive a high-end car with sensitive electronics. For the price, it's easily the best value here. So which one should you buy? If you want speed and build quality, go with Gemloose. For universal fit and style, Amsfeel needs something tiny, burnt sugar. Sharing the car with an Android user, Yizro's your only real option. But if you're on a budget and just want it to work, ZOUHOE delivers the best value. All of them have trade-offs, mostly the lack of real reviews, so pick based on your car and needs. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying.